If you're looking to upgrade your cooking game, these 5 kitchen gadgets will change the way you cook. Whether you're looking to save time, make your meals more delicious, or just simplify your cooking process, these gadgets are must-haves for every kitchen. Let's dive in. The Instant Pot is the ultimate multi-cooker that has become a game-changer for many home chefs. It combines the power of a pressure cooker, slow cooker, rice cooker, sauté pan, and even a yogurt maker all in one. Whether you're making tender meats, soups, or rice, this versatile gadget cuts cooking time in half. With the Instant Pot, you can make a full meal in a fraction of the time it would take with traditional methods. It's perfect for busy weeknights or meal prepping, and it's super easy to use. Next is the Spiralizer, a kitchen tool that will transform the way you prepare vegetables. This gadget turns veggies like zucchini, sweet potatoes, and carrots into fun, curly noodles. You can make zoodles as a low-carb pasta substitute, or add some fun shapes to your salads. The Spiralizer is great for anyone looking to eat more vegetables in a creative way, and it's a fun way to make your meals look more impressive. An electric salt and pepper grinder set is a sleek and efficient tool that will elevate your seasoning game. These grinders allow you to add freshly ground salt and pepper to your meals with the push of a button. They provide precision, so you can add the perfect amount of seasoning every time. Not only do these grinders look great on your countertop, but they also make seasoning your food effortless. Perfect for anyone who loves to finish their meals with a pinch of freshly ground salt and pepper. If you love your coffee or lattes, then a milk frother is an absolute must. With a milk frother, you can bring the CAF experience right into your kitchen. The frother works in just seconds and gives you that rich, velvety foam that makes your drinks feel extra special. It's perfect for coffee lovers, and it can also be used to froth milk for smoothies or even sauces. Last, but not least, is the garlic press. If you cook with garlic regularly, this tool is a lifesaver. It crushes garlic cloves effortlessly, saving you the time of peeling and chopping each clove. You can easily add freshly crushed garlic to your recipes without the mess. The garlic press is especially useful for making garlic butter, sauces, and any recipe that requires a lot of garlic. It's easy to use and cleans up in seconds. These 5 kitchen gadgets will change the way you cook and make your time in the kitchen more enjoyable. Whether you're looking for speed, precision, or ease, each of these tools offers unique benefits that will make a difference in your cooking. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful cooking tips and gadget recommendations. Happy cooking!